SellOut takes the hassle out of selling stuff online. Using SellOut is actually really easy. All you have to do is just take a photo of what you want to sell and our AI will generate an entire product listing and help you post it to all the major marketplaces. In this video, I'm going to give you a full tutorial on how to use it, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's start off with the plans. So you can do the free plan. The free plan allows you to do 7 listings per month, but there's no background removal and no cross-posting. Or you can do the monthly plan, which is unlimited everything for $29 a month. Or you can do the quarterly plan, which is $19 a month and you pay it quarterly for $59. And that one is also unlimited everything. Okay, so in your settings, you can connect the marketplaces and we're gonna connect eBay here. So all you have to do is click connect. And if you're signed in, then it's gonna bring you to this page. But if you're not signed in, then you just have to sign in and it'll bring you to this page and you're gonna agree and continue and open and sell out. Now we're connected. Next, we're gonna connect Poshmark. For Poshmark, Depop, and Mercari, you have to log in using your username and password in order to connect properly to the app, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so once you sign in, then you'll just be automatically connected in the app as well. And you can do this for Depop and Mercari as well. And you can mark one of these as your primary marketplace if you'd like. Okay, now we can go over AI preferences. You can choose your style of how you'd like your product listings to be, so descriptive, or you can go to just the facts or no description. You can choose what kind of details you want to have in your description. So for no description, you still have to have item details on in your details to include, but all of the other ones you don't. So you can include item details, keywords, and item occasions. So the item details are just details about the items, like the brand, the size, that type of thing. Keywords are what is going to help your item be more visible. And item occasions is basically when and where this item is going to be used or worn. And then at the bottom here, you can add custom text to add to every description if you would like. You don't have to do this, but let's say that you wanted to say that it comes from a smoke-free home or that you don't have any pets, so there's not gonna be any hair on the clothing or item. These are really good things to note for the buyer. There's a contact button here. If you have any issues, you can just reach out here and the team will get back to you within 24 hours from New York or LA, but please allow extra time on weekends or holidays. All right, now let's get into how you add a product. So let's go to create listing and we're gonna add photos. So I'm gonna import a bunch of photos for a bunch of different listings. You can add up to 50 plus photos for different listings at the same time. So I'm adding 15 photos right now. Add, and they're just uploading. There we go. Now that the photos are uploaded, we can actually remove the background of every photo if we'd like to. So I'm gonna click on remove background. And I'm going to choose all of the photos here. And we're going to remove the backgrounds of all of those photos. This just helps the listing look a little bit more professional. There we go, perfect. And now I can choose photos for the listing. So you have to choose at least 2 photos. And to get the best results, it's good to include the front, back, and any tags, logos, or packaging in the photos. Even though you can add 2 photos, it's good to have at least 3. So let's choose this shirt right here. 1, 2, 3, create listing. So you have to choose one of these photos as the cover photo, and you actually have to click make cover photo in order to proceed. So we're gonna click this one, make cover photo, and you can actually edit. So we're gonna click edit right here, and we can crop this and make it bigger or smaller. Let's make it a little bit bigger here, perfect. In order to make it bigger or smaller, you're just gonna use your pointer finger and your thumb and just pinch it in or out. And you have to click save. Next, you just have to choose the condition. So this one is actually new with tags on it. We're gonna click that. And you can put condition details. So I'm just gonna put brand new here. But you actually don't have to fill this out. It's just if there's something worth noting, you can put it there. So we're gonna click generate listing. Okay, now it says ready to list here. So I'm gonna click on this. So here's the title and the description is very descriptive. Now, let's say that I didn't like this title and description, I can just regenerate it. So let's click regenerate. These are item details. These are key pieces of info about the item, like the brand, size, color, and other attributes. If you add or remove an attribute, then the entire listing is regenerated with that updated information. This is a great way to make edits without having to update the listing multiple times. Feedback for AI. You can give custom instructions right here, or there are suggestions below that you can just choose from. So if you want to make the description longer or add hashtags to this description, whatever you want. So let's say I want to add hashtags to the description and make the title longer. Submit. So this is the new title that it came up with, and it's got a bunch of hashtags in there. So next we're gonna go over measurements. If you don't know what the measurement of something is, then you can click auto measure, and it's gonna access your camera, so allow. It's just gonna take you to the camera, and once the purple outline is on the object, then you're going to click the shutter button, and you can click done and you'll have your measurements. And as you'll see right here, I don't have a price in here yet, but if I don't know how much to price this, it actually tells me down here. So this app actually gives you a whole bunch of comparable products and gives you a price suggestion. So it's telling me the price range is $5 to $36. So I'm gonna price it at $20 because it's right in the middle. Next, we're gonna post it for sale on the marketplace. Let's say that I wanna post it on eBay. It looks like we have too many characters, so we have to take some down. Let's just take off lightweight here. Lightweight, strappy. There we go. We're gonna save that. In order to post it on eBay, I have to have every single thing filled out. So everything else was filled out thanks to SellOut. Now I just have to do the shipping details. Let's do flat rate shipping, shipping service, USPS priority. Okay, for sender handling time, let's say 6 days. And shipping cost, say $100. Are you accepting returns? No. Shipping details and return choices only need to be entered once, and then they are pre-filled for future listings. So now you can post it for sale on eBay. Next, let's do Poshmark, which is going to be the same as Depop and Mercari. So for these ones, you don't have to have everything filled out. You could actually save the draft to Poshmark, Depop, or Mercari, and then just fill out the rest later if you'd like to. And we're gonna save it to drafts on Poshmark. Okay, now we know how to upload an item. Let's talk about referring sellers. So you can actually invite other sellers to start using the platform as well, and you'll get a referral bonus for it. So this is your invite link. You would just send this to whoever you want to invite to the platform. Your referee will get 1 month free coupon emailed to them, and you'll get a referral bonus paid out quarterly. The more you refer, the more you earn. If you're interested in a higher volume affiliate program, then be sure to reach out to the SellOut team and let them know. Now you know everything that there is to know about SellOut, so enjoy the ease of this amazing tool and happy selling, guys.